Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 1233, remove subfolders from the file system, and we'll be given a list of folders folder and to return the folders after removing all subfolders in those folders, and we can return the answer in any order. And if a folder I is located within another folder J, it is called a subfolder of it. And a subfolder of folder J must start with folder J and followed by the slash. For example, slash A slash B is a subfolder of slash A, but slash B is not subfolder of slash A slash B slash C. Right, and the format of a path is one or more concatenated strings in the form of slash, followed by one or more lowercase English letter. For example, lead code slash lead code and slash lead code slash problems are valid paths, while empty string and only slashes are not. Okay, so for example, we are given in this the folder as slash a slash b slash c slash d slash c slash d slash e slash c slash c. Oh, what a tongue twister. Slash c slash f. Okay, so we'll have to tell the folders basically slash a slash b is a subfolder of slash a, and then slash e is a subfolder of slash c slash d, and slash c slash f is in itself a folder. So we are having three answers. Okay, so it's not present, like its parent folder is basically not present, so we'll have to return this. Okay, so for this, firstly what we can do is basically we'll just sort on the string, and then it's going to be very easy for us to find the answer. So let's have just arrays dot sort the whole folder. Yeah, array dot sort whole folder. Yeah, sorry, my bad, there was just some issue with the charging. Okay, and let's have a list of string which is going to be answer, and that is equal to a new array list. And firstly, the first most lexicographical small string will be present in this only, so answer dot add folder dot get 0. And now what will we have to do is we'll be iterating from int I equal to 1, I less than folder dot length, and then I plus plus. Okay, we'll firstly I'll have to check that if at the last of the string there is a slash pen, that means I might go inside some other last folder as well. Okay, so firstly I'll have to check that. So string, let's have a last folder, so that is equal to answer dot get answer dot size minus 1. Okay, so this will give me the last string. Oh, and I'll have add a slash to it, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if my not folder of 0, it's an array not a list, sorry, my bad. If not folder of I, if it starts, if it does not starts with my last folder syntax, last folder address basically, so that means that I have found a new folder. So I'll be doing answer dot add folder I, and at the end I'll just have to left with returning my answer. Okay, so now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works probably fine as well. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.